In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email out of Salesforce. This can be an incredibly useful tool for streamlining communication directly within your sales processes. We'll go through the steps one by one, ensuring that you have everything you need to send emails to your contacts effortlessly. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce homepage. The homepage is essentially your command center, where you access all the functionalities Salesforce offers. Once you're on the homepage, look for the app launcher icon. It's typically represented by 9 small dots arranged in a grid pattern. Click on that icon, and it will open up a menu showing all of the applications you have access to within Salesforce, which includes a variety of vital tools and sections. After opening the app launcher, the next step is to click on Contacts. The Contacts section is where all the individuals with whom your organization is connected are listed. It's a helpful feature that allows you to manage your communications and relationships efficiently. Within the Contacts section, scan through to find a specific contact you'd like to email. You can use the search bar at the top to easily locate the contact by typing in their name. Once you've selected a contact, you'll see a variety of options at the top of their profile. Look for the email icon, which should be easy to spot. Clicking on this will open a new window where you'll compose your email. This integration allows you to seamlessly send emails directly from Salesforce without needing to switch to another email platform. Now you'll want to craft your email with a subject line and message. Typing in a subject line lets the recipient know the topic or nature of your email. This is crucial for giving your communication a touch of professionalism and ensuring your message is opened and read promptly. Fill in the subject line with a clear, concise description of what your email entails. Compose your message in the body text area. Try to keep your message clear and to the point while making sure it reflects the purpose of your communication. Remember, this email is being sent directly from Salesforce, so it's a handy feature for keeping your correspondence logged and organized in one place. Finally, once you're satisfied with your email and have added any necessary attachments or CC recipients, double-check everything for any errors or omissions. When you're ready, click the Send button. This action will transmit your email right away, and you'll also have the benefit of Salesforce keeping a record of this outgoing email for your future reference. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to sending an email out of Salesforce. With these steps, you can streamline your communication process and keep your engagement with clients efficient and effective. Thanks for joining us today, and happy emailing on Salesforce.